Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave your thumbs up and please leave your comments. First, I need to say thank you all for all the support that you've given me these past 7 or 8 months during all of this craziness that we're going through. I really do appreciate you very much, and I believe I see light at the end of the tunnel, so it's getting better. It may not appear to be right now, but I believe it is. Y'all, there's something that we need to get used to, something we need to get used to saying, and that is goodbye, President Trump. As y'all know, they're trying to get him removed from office. They're trying to get Mike Pence to remove him from office. They've got the signatures that they need, but Mike Pence has not commented one way or the other if he will do that. If he does do that, he will be gone from office immediately. It will take about 20 minutes after he decides to remove him. Then Mike Pence will be acting president until Joe Biden takes office on the 20th. I believe Mike Pence would do a very good job. The man is full of integrity, and I would like to see him run in 2024. If they have to impeach Donald Trump, the chances of him running in 2024 are gone. He won't be able to. And he will not have any of the perks that an outgoing president has. So either way, he's gone. Whether they impeach him, whether Mike Pence removes him, or we just wait for the next 2 weeks, he will be gone one way or the other. Another thing we need to start getting used to saying is President Joe Biden. Joe Biden is going to take office on the 20th, and I believe he's going to right a lot of the wrongs that Donald Trump has done. I wish him all the best of luck, and I hope everybody give him the support that they could not give Donald Trump, because Donald Trump put such a big wedge in between him and everyone. Y'all, I see a lot of people commenting about the nuclear codes. They're saying that Donald Trump has the nuclear codes, but he can't even tweet on Twitter or any of the other social media things. They're taking all that away. But they hadn't took the nuclear codes away from him yet. Y'all, this is kind of funny. Y'all, you've been watching too many movies. Donald Trump can't do anything with those codes by himself. It takes him and another person, 2 sets of keys and 2 sets of codes. He can't do nothing with them codes. I don't think they would ever let one person have sole control over the nuclear codes. Impeachment. Nancy Pelosi once again is calling for an impeachment. This time will be different because he's already been impeached one time. Well, they brought him up for impeachments, but it failed. But if they do it this time, it would stick because she will have the support from the House and the Senate that she needs. And if he's impeached, he will be removed from office. The attack on the Capitol building yesterday. Why did it take Donald Trump so long to call in support? Why did he keep egging it on social media? Donald Trump caused all of that yesterday. The 4 people that died yesterday, he's got their blood on his hands. I hope that man can live with that. Donald Trump was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. He's used to getting his way. And now that he's lost the election, he's like a baby that didn't get his way. Crying, moaning and groaning and pointing his finger and pitching a hissy fit. There's no way for a president to act. Y'all, arrests are coming. All of them protesters, they have face recognition. And a lot of them, they know who they are from the close-up shots they are. So arrest is coming. They're not going to get away with it. Lindsey Graham said he's going to pressure them every week to see what kind of progress they have made on the arrest. He's not going to let up until they are all serving time. Mike Pence made a statement about Donald Trump. Mike Pence is furious over the actions of Donald Trump the past few days. He says after all he's done for Donald Trump and with Donald Trump's going to act this way. He's furious. It wouldn't surprise me a bit if he does invoke the 25th Amendment. I'm sorry, the 24th Amendment. Chuck Schumer said that the first thing he wants to do when he goes over to the Senate is send out $2,000 stimulus checks to the people. That the people are hurting, people are crying, they need this help, and he knows it. So he's going to send this money out to them. Joe Biden also, as soon as he takes office, he will send $2,000 stimulus checks out. Now, this is not to say we're going to get two different $2,000 checks. It just means that they're all working towards that $2,000 check. I believe it will come out. I think it was Ossoff said yesterday that he thinks we'll start seeing these $2,000 checks within the next week in our bank accounts. I don't believe it's going to be that fast. So if people start talking about that, I wouldn't hold my breath for that, but I do know they will be coming fast. Everybody is saying $2,000 stimulus checks right now. And again, it would not surprise me a bit if they take the 600 that we just got out and just send the 1,400. They are saying 2,000, but that would not surprise me because they would get more support that way to get them out faster. The Mooch Man. People are still concerned about what the Mooch Man is saying, what he's doing, what he wants to do, what he will object to. Y'all don't worry about the Mooch Man. He's just a senator like everyone else now. So his power has been stripped from him. The Georgia race cost him that power. So I shouldn't even say the Georgia race cost him that power. I should say Donald Trump cost him that power, because Donald Trump made the whole Republican Party look bad, and the people in Georgia spoke up. They're tired of the same old, so they wanted new blood. So they let their voices be heard in the voting. So the Mooch Man is gone. The Mooch Man's wife is gone. Now that she's not part of President Trump's cabinet, I think charges need to be brought up on this woman for stealing $350,000 from the PPP fund for her family's business. That fund was made for businesses that was hurting and needed money. The Mooch Man and his wife and their family was not hurting. They stole that money. I believe they should be brought up on charges and go to prison for that. Y'all, all of this craziness with the 24th Amendment and the impeachment, Donald Trump still being in office, all of this stuff could be avoided if Donald Trump would do the right thing and resign from office. I really got a feeling he might do that. But then on the other hand, I don't know if he will or not, because resigning is almost quitting. And I don't think his pride will let him quit. We can only hope that he will do the right thing for our country and for our people. Y'all, I would never thought in 100 years, when I was younger, I always wanted Donald Trump to run for president one day. Well, he did. And then he backed out. He decided he didn't want to be president. And then the next time he decided, okay, I want to play president again. So he ran again. I voted for him. I wish to God I hadn't. Because what that man turned out to be is something that I never thought he would be. And to think of it, I mean, he could have been the best president in history if he hadn't have placed those wedges between him, the media, the Democrats, and the Republicans. If he had not went on the attack every time he took to a stage, he could have ended up being the best president in history. But as it stands, I think he's going to end up being the worst president in history. Oh well, we only got 2 more weeks. A lot of people saying they're worried about what he can do in those 2 weeks. I really don't think he can do much because they're going to be keeping a tight eye on him, and I don't think nobody's going to go along with him on anything. Because if they go along with him right now, their career will be over as well. Y'all, get ready to say it. Goodbye, Trump. Hello, Biden is coming. And also, be ready to say ching ching in your bank account. Y'all, somebody asked me in yesterday's comments, am I a socialist because I'm for the $2,000 stimulus check? No, I am not a socialist at all. I'm a conservative, big time. But the people are hurting right now. They need this help. But my message to the person that left that comment is, if you feel so strongly that we should not get this $2,000 check, please send yours back, or send it to me, or give it to a family that really needs it. Because if you feel that strongly against it, I don't want you to go against your moral compass. Y'all keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He's going to get us through this, and I believe brighter days are fast coming. I just can't help believe it. But also, watch the video that's popping up here now. Please leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And please, when you leave your comments, don't hold back. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Say what's on your chest. Get it out. Say it. Don't hold back. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through all of this garbage. And I really don't think it's going to be that much longer. I love you all. Until next time. Ciao.